Alright, got a new heater here I'm going to test out again. I'm in my shop right now. I got a bunch of new apparel I just got in. I got a box and box of it. So I've been trying to get some of the stuff put away. So it's cold in here. It's just above 60. Hands are cold. So we're going to try this heater out. They say it's for an indoor application, even though it's diesel powered, so it has a little motor in it, which puts out fumes, which is called carbon monoxide, which will kill you. So I'm not sure how smart that is if you're running in a closed building like this, but it's a pretty good sized building. So we tested this before one other place. When I first started the first time, it put out a lot of stink, but that kind of cleared up. So let's see what it does this time. So this is their big one. I think they have 3 different sizes of these things. First thing is get out of the crate here, box, whatever. We had to modify it a little bit to make it work last time. Oh, that was a diesel tank I just flipped upside down, by the way. I keep forgetting it's got fuel in it. Good thing there's not much in there. Of course, that will be a problem making it run. Alright, we need some room to work around. There, I just made some room. We got a countertop right here. Okay, I know they made 3 different sizes of these things. I don't remember which one this is. It's their bigger one. So I bent the legs right up here to tear up my countertop, which I don't like doing already. But that allows me to get up high enough to clear the exhaust, which is what this thing here is. It's exhaust. Why did I blow that in the room there, I guess. So the exhaust puts out just as much heat as the heater does. So if you have blowing on you, you get more heat. And of course, they put the exhaust right up the front, so it blows all over you, which is not exactly the way I would do things. So this here just kind of pokes up under here. Like that. Now, if I shoot that the other direction, that should blow the exhaust out the back of the vehicle. So we'll fumigate the other side of the shop. This is the outlet at the air, which is this one. And I already broke that. And this here is an air filter of some type. Of course, I remember exactly how to do all this. And there you go, there's all the different heaters. So it's the big one. 5 to 8 kW. Diesel powered. It needs a big long exhaust pipe that I did see are available online. You can go buy them. Then you run the exhaust outside so you don't have to smell the fumes. If you're going to run inside the shop, you probably should get a carbon monoxide detector. Of course, I don't have that. Okay, the exhaust pipe is on the front like I thought, so it blows on top of you and it sucks from the back, which is where the fumes should go out the back. And that does get hot under there. So the first thing I do is get it off my countertop like that, because that's going to be a problem. I'll just get some wood for that. We stuck it up on top of 2x4s and 6s before. There's also a fuel line under there, which you probably shouldn't have right next to the exhaust pipe, but they do. Let's see, how am I going to do this? Alright, so I got a dingleberry hanging out over this side for air. Of course it wants to go to the back where you point the exhaust to. Okay, so I think this was supposed to be relatively flat, they claimed. This here just goes in the front. There's a big heat element in here, which is basically just a big heat sink off the motor. It blows air off of it, and that's what comes off of this and blows into my room over there. At least that's the plan. But I'm going to get some wood up in here because I can't have this on top of my tabletop because it'll cause damage. Possible fire. Probably wouldn't hurt to have a fire extinguisher nearby. Oh, one lycra right here. There you go. Oop. That undid too much of the camera. Okay, so this here we have just on here like this. Stick it over. Probably don't need to do that, but we'll just tighten it up just a little bit just to make sure it doesn't fall off. Nice fancy diffuser here that didn't work very well. There we go. So we're going to blow the diffuser toward the ground, going that way, because heat goes up, so I force it down. Works better. Okay, I'm going to give me some 2x4s to put under here, so I'll be back.